Well, hello everybody, and thank you for watching. I've got a little 15-minute project, and I think it'll make a big difference in a small way. I had this little annoying little issue here at the house, and this was my solution for that. I got out on Amazon and just ordered this little 8-inch barn door handle, and I'm going to take that out and put it on a little wooden gate. The wooden gate, from the wooden privacy fence, didn't have a handle on it. It was a real pain in the butt to close. So for just a few dollars here, I got this little guy. I'm going to take my impact driver, go out there and install it. It's nice and heavy. I like it. Yeah. Feels good in the hand and kind of matches that rough motif wood thing. So here's the gate, and you can see without the handle, you end up grabbing that little 2x4 frame and pulling it shut. So I really didn't want to put this handle horizontal, but there wasn't another place to put it vertical, so I just kind of sized it up. It looked like it fit there fine. Oh, here's a little pro tip. I keep my impact driver bits in an old medicine bottle, and you can just look in there and see what kind of a tip you want, and keeps them all neat and tidy there. Of course, for impact drivers, that little collet there, you pull that out, and then you put the bit in there, and then when you release the collet, it locks the bit in there. I really like impact drivers for putting in screws. Easy peasy here now. This doesn't have to be rocket science here. Get it lined up, put the screw in. Just a quick alignment, second screw. This door came with a couple screws. I mean, I got plenty of those around the house, but in there. I'm sorry about the camera. I didn't really think about the sun glare on the lens. Oh well. So much easier. I mean, just pull it shut. It's still a gate, but works great. Okay, thanks everybody. Take care.